welcome to the show. This is Webmaster Paul for Freshwater Diver 1.
Needs to be about 103, 105, just getting on 100, 99, okay. Very nice.